This is the Mini RF1 version 2 charge package. This full package is available in two colors of chrome and black, and it comes with 8 extremely bright version 2 Mini RF1s, an extremely durable flight case that has a charging strip inside to charge all of the lights, and then all of the included accessories like 8 long distance RF remotes and charging cables for your lights. On the front of the flight case we have 2 butterfly locks where you can also run a small padlock through if you want to lock your case fully. There's also a carry handle on the top over here, which makes carrying this whole package as easy as carrying a briefcase, and then the case itself is very durable and made from aluminum and plywood, so it can take a beating and still protect your lights. We actually filmed a drop test for this package, so let's go check that out now.
What's up guys, so here I have the Mini RF1 V2 charge package all set up here with all of my lights powered on. So now let's say you're heading to a gig or an event. One thing leads to another. You get a weird grip on the handle here and oh no! Whoa! You drop your case. Not to worry though, because it's so sturdy. See, not even a scratch. And now if we go ahead and check on our lights here inside, you'll see that they're all perfectly fine. Not a dent, not a scratch, as if nothing ever happened, and you're ready to go to your next gig or event.
On the bottom of the case are 4 rubber non-slip feet so that the case will stay in place when you are taking your lights out or setting them up to charge, and inside of the case are 8 Mini RF1 version 2 power wash lights, RF remotes to control all 8 of the lights, and charging cables to charge all of the lights. Over here we have the charging cable that plugs out of the case and into the wall so that you can charge all the lights, and running on the side of the case is the power strip, which is where all of the lights are going to plug in to charge. You'll notice each of the 8 slots is perfectly form-fitting, made of high-density shockproof foam to keep the lights nice and snugly protected in their slots. And the top lid is also padded, which keeps the top of the lights nice and protected during transport. There's also this side compartment that can hold all of your charging cables, remotes, accessories, etc. So let's go ahead and set up all the lights for charging. So each light has its own charging cable, so what you're going to do is take your light, take your charging cable, plug this end into the light like this, then take the other end and run it straight into the power strip like this. After you have all of the 8 lights plugged into the power strip, you're going to take the case charger, plug it right into the slot over here, and then take the male end and plug it right into the wall. The last step is to just turn it on. And you'll notice each of the lights charging LED indicators on the chargers come on, and just a note, if you see a red LED that means it's charging, and if you see a green LED that means you're fully charged. Now this is super important to note, the Mini RF1 version 2s have some of the best and long-lasting batteries on the market. They're 3000 mAh lithium batteries, which means you need to keep this top lid open whenever you are charging so that the lights get proper ventilation. On top of having great battery life with 15 hours for a single color, the Mini RF1 version 2s are RGBWA+UV lights, where the included remote gives you a lot of control over the functionalities like different colors, color wheels, and other different modes like auto, fade, sound, and strobe mode, all from a max distance of 100 feet. And because the brackets are adjustable, you have multiple different angles you can point the light at for wall washing or to use it to hang it from a truss. You can also remove the bracket and use the lights on the inside of a totem to illuminate a DJ facade or even to illuminate bottles as the centerpiece of a table. These lights also feature RF grouping through a single remote, wireless DMX, and complete wireless linking to each other in master-slave mode. We have a bunch of tutorial videos on how to set up your lights and get the most out of the functionalities, so make sure to check those out. So the Mini RF1 version 2 charge package is a great system for transporting and charging efficiently the version 2 Mini RF1s that come preloaded inside of them. So whether you're a DJ, you have an entertainment company, or you're just looking for an all-in-one package that has 8 rechargeable RF power wash lights and a charging case to charge them all and transport them, look no further than the Mini RF1 version 2 charge package from Rockville.